How to create a ticket. Creating a ticket is the fastest way to get help. It is important to add as much relevant detail as possible because that will help the technician to troubleshoot the issue. Please try to keep it simple and have some of these points included. Add a short description of the issue in the subject line. Please include these items in the body of the email. Your name and company name, your contact phone number, description of the problem. When did the issue start? What is the best way to contact you? What is a good time to access your PC? Additional information or any software problems related to the issue. Only one ticket per issue. Here is the link to creating a ticket. Click on the email link and it will take you straight to the technician's inbox. ticket@impresscomputers.com.